Hey, it's Wednesday. So yeah, it is too cold. Like, I like the cold, but I like to be warm when it's cold. That's why I'm wrapped up in a blanket. I don't know what to talk about. Nothing's happening. So, it's cold. And, the other day, I went outside, and, it smelled like Halloween to me. Like, there's just the smell that I associate with Halloween or October or fall, I guess. And I was excited about that. But it's getting too cold. I hate it. Well, I don't hate it. I like to be warm when it's cold. Yeah. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing for me to talk about. Michigan wins today because it's awesome. I don't know. I don't know. Cold. I want to call it cold day or something. Yeah. I don't know what to do for the challenge. Or, well, like, since everybody's doing a challenge, I feel that I should just do a challenge or something. Like, see, the only one I can think of is to complete a Rubik's Cube. Because I can. Because, well, I memorized how to do it off of the internet. But, like, that's the only challenge I can think of issuing to someone. Stupid camera. Quit recording. Alright. Well, I did this, and it came up as Melissa, who has to do the Rubik's Cube. So, sorry I don't have video of it. My stupid computer is being stupid. And it also didn't record this part, which is my aunt sends me stuff. Like, she sent me paper because I didn't have any for my printer, and she doesn't think I do make enough eye contact with people, so she sent me this. I don't know what her exact plan was with this, really. I mean, it's just like, what? So yeah, I don't know. They're really old. Like, I don't know. I guess this was high tech back in the day. And it doesn't seem to be actually changing any vision that I have. I think it's just glass. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have a video of me doing a Rubik's Cube in here after this. So, yeah. Yeah. Alright. We're tired of our president, everybody's in. He put us in cells from the shady shot to spend. Now the guy is even done life will pass out. Time for a movie dark now and beyond the dark. Did you ever see Obama? Get Obama on Obama, wish for Obama luck. I would rather steal Obama, young Obama, hit Obama, thunder at the future, Obama Llama Duck. I'm scared of Republicans, they say they want change. Then they want to save us, and then hurt my brain. I'll crash into a voting booth and rock people pay. I will not go left or right, only vote for change. One Obama, two Obama, three Obama, four Obama, hot Obama, four Barack Obama, push him up. Hang through the crystal Obama, goose yard Obama, kill the young president, Obama Llama Duck.
15番の14番マコロバマハロバマコロラグバマブルマ